Good morning. Welcome back to Split Life Productions. My name is Nate, and this is your morning reaction. Okay, I've been looking forward to this. This is Alpha Wolf and their new song, Bring Back the Noise. I am so hyped for this song because A Quiet Place to Die was a phenomenal album. It is an amazing album front to back. So I'm looking forward to hear the new stuff. So let's jump into it. Looks like it's a quick banger, 2 minutes. Let's go. Oh no. Just on the background, what you're hearing is it's gonna go hard. Ooh, what are those guitar tones? What are those noises? Sabian, what are those noises? Oh, he cut his hair. Oh, God. I need to hear that drum fill again. Oh, we get this DJ scratches. Let's go. I love it when I hear it. Oh, we got backbeat. We got a backbeat on that one. There's the wolf. Come on, hit me with the beat down. Nice. Oh, I love the pickup there. I love it when you get the pickup of ba da da. Oh, what was that noise? Ooh. There it is. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Ooh, I'm so happy. I'm so looking forward to their new stuff. I cannot wait for this album or EP, whatever they're going to be releasing. Oh, that was so good. So, and if you liked what you just saw, give these guys all the listens. Their links down in the description down below. Check out this video. Check out all the other stuff. Check out A Quiet Place to Die, Hotel 66, right? I think that's their last. They're split with What's the band? The Lost and the Longing, which was their split with Holding Absence. So, which that was a great song. But yeah, Quiet Place to Die, phenomenal. Phenomenal in that just nasty beatdown hardcore style. So yeah, and if you liked what you just saw, you know, if you have any suggestions on anything that I should check out, feel free to put a link in the comment section, and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when more of these reactions come out. And thank you also, and subscribe, like, notification bell. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your morning. Whoo boy, that was a wake up.